Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need to download the app and this here for tutorial. And we're back here for the time for the load. Download. Please why I'm search the official website for you. I'm like the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for the official website. Canon support for Imageclass. This here serial. You click here and this here for the printer. You scroll down and this here for the title software and driver. Click here for the title and this here for the tag automatic your operating system. This here website official and this and my operating system for Windows 10. If you make the operating system for the Macintosh or the Linux, and this here for the tag automatic version for you Mac. Uh, if you change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Linux or the Macintosh. I'm sure for Macintosh, and this here for my Macintosh version. Okay, this here for match the Macintosh version, and this here for you scroll down in this here you download here the print and scanner. Click here for the Macintosh driver, and if you need download for the Linux, and this here for the Linux version. If you need a download for the driver, scroll down and this here for the driver version for your Linux. Okay, if you need download, you click here button, a red button, and in this video I need download driver for the Windows, and this here for the Windows and version you click here. And this here for the match version for the Windows, and this here for the Windows 11, a new version for the Windows 10, Windows 8 and the 7. Okay, this here for the Windows Server support. And this video I need download driver for Windows 11, new version for the Windows, and you scroll down, and this here for the all type driver. Okay, and this here for the printer, and this here for the scanner. Okay, this here for toolbox fashion, and this here for the print, and I am recommendation for you. You download here. This here for the support the print and installation, and guess what? Insert for the tile. Okay, and you download here. Download here print, and this here for the drive for the load complete. Okay, if you need install driver for the U printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC to take the USB cable printer, and please what finish the for the load. If you finish the for the load, you double click file, you click next, and you click step by step. You click next, and your USB cable printer. Okay, if you need the question, comment below. If you need a link below description the video. I thank you for watching and subscribe my channel and see you by next time the video.